Well, look, as I've said, he said hello, and we basically said hello, and I congratulated him on his grandchildren, as people tend to do, and that led to a conversation about those grandchildren who do sound great. And that led to a conversation about his travels, and he told me what he had been doing in Phoenix and various things. And then we spoke about former Attorney General Janet Reno. But it really was a social meeting, and I certainly wouldn't do it again. Because I think it has cast this shadow over what it should not, over what it will not touch. And that's why, as I said, I think it's important to talk about how this matter will be resolved and how the review and how the determinations and decisions will be made. And as I've always said, that this matter would be handled by the career people who are independent. They live from administration to administration. Their role is to follow the facts and follow the law and make a determination as to what happened and what those next steps should be. But in my role as Attorney General, there are cases that come up to me. I am informed of them from time to time. This case, as you know, has generated a lot of attention. I'll be informed of those findings as opposed to never reading them or never seeing them. But I will be accepting their recommendations and their plan for going forward.
What didn't Eric Holder tell you about this job? What's the one thing you wish he had told you?
Where the lock on the plane door was?